Turn right, hard. Right. There you go. Cabs, who needs those?
Oh, I bet these with fucking double walled that one. Like fucking.
He won't know until he gets down. He didn't have one.
Weight reduction.
I see the pads right here just floating back and forth, so I was like,
For extra noise.
yeah.
Well, when they did the Tacoma, they fucking double walled them.
Put it in my house like that.
They stuck a piece of tube inside of it and bent them together.
I was surprised how good that was there.
No, that's what I'm wearing.
Yeah, that I think we could maybe stay right side, but this right here is
Ernest, you're going up there?
no. Me belly hung right here. Those tires are higher than mine.